Xe đấy mình đã xong luôn. Bông đủ tấp trên đây lá con. Crash xa đây này con.
There's two of them.
We need to go that way.
No,
God damn it, go back.
We're fine.
Chandler, go the fuck back. I'm not kidding. We don't know if this thing can change directions. We're not experts. It's crossing the interstate right where we were. Oh my God. You can see.
Go on! Yeah. In there. Get out. They're stopped as well.
What?
Whoa.
That's massive. Oh god.
I'm gonna get in the car. Excuse me. Are we going to move again?
Just keep drifting south.
Alright, can I give you that to just keep going?
Oh my god, it's like a baseball.
Man, it's seriously gonna hit us! I kid you not! It's gonna hit the shop! Oh my god! Fuck. Dude, where do we go? We've got nowhere to go! Oh my god.
This is another picture from Davis Junction. It is clear we have a funnel in progress there. Then again, looking off to the north toward the Rockford Airport. And now most recently, this is a picture to the southwest of Rochelle. This is the storm that's producing the tornado. A report from law enforcement. Large tornado on the ground northwest of I-39 and I-88. So that's right by Rochelle. We'll be crossing I-39 shortly. That means that we'll be heading toward Creston. It will be a very close call for the city of DeKalb. I think it'll pass just to the north, but that will be a very, very close call there as well. But this is one that I think we'll have to watch for Sycamore moving forward. Let's go in.